Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Electrify America account for subscription charging, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize your Electrify America account for subscription charging, start by opening the Electrify America mobile app. Log in using your registered email and password. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the account section from the app's main menu. Click on Manage Subscriptions to view your current subscription options. Select the subscription plan you wish to activate. Review the details of the plan, including pricing and benefits. If you're satisfied, click on Authorize to proceed. You may be prompted to enter your payment information if it's not already saved. Ensure your billing address is accurate for verification purposes. Confirm the authorization by clicking Submit. After submission, wait for a confirmation message indicating your subscription is active. Check your email for a confirmation message as well. If you encounter any issues, refer to the app's help section for troubleshooting tips. You can also contact customer support directly for assistance. Once authorized, you can start using the subscription charging features right away. Remember to monitor your subscription status regularly. This will help you stay informed about renewal dates and any changes. Now you are ready to enjoy seamless charging with Electrify America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.